In today's fast-paced work environment, where skills and knowledge are constantly evolving, organizations are turning to innovative methods to support employee performance and development.
Hey Sarah, have you tried microlearning for performance support?
Microlearning? What's that?
Microlearning is a learning approach that delivers short, focused bursts of content designed to address specific learning objectives or provide support for immediate performance needs. It's like bite-sized learning that you can consume on the go.
That sounds exactly like what I need. How do we access it?
You can access microlearning resources through microlearning platforms, mobile apps, or your organization's LMS.
That's great.
And there are many microlearning formats to choose from: how-to videos, infographics, interactive simulations, quizzes, and more.
How can I get started with microlearning?
You can start by identifying your immediate learning needs or the specific task you're working on. Then, look for microlearning modules that address those topics. Since microlearning is concise and focused, you can quickly find the information you need without spending hours on lengthy courses.
Thank you, you explained me everything I need to know. It's so easy to understand, I can apply it right away to solve my problem.
In today's dynamic workplace, microlearning isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool for empowering employees and driving performance excellence. So why wait? Start leveraging microlearning today and watch your team thrive. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.